Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use chat on ClickUp. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on ClickUp, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. The ClickUp's chat features allows teams to collaborate, communicate, and exchange ideas directly within the platform. Number one thing that we need to do is to access the ClickUp chat. Now, the idea is chats and ClickUps are located under the spaces or lists in your workspace. You should be able to see it on the top corner. If you can't find it, you might want to go to the view option here, the plus button, because we need to set up the chat feature for now before we can use it. There's going to be the list, gantt, calendar, doc, board, and the more views allows you to put in the chat wherein you can communicate with your team. I want you to click on it. So the chat, there's going to be a hashtag chat, and this is going to be the beginning of chat, hashtag chat, and please feel free to invite your teammates to start discussion. Now you can see you can have the command or types for AI actions here at the bottom. You can of course integrate, you can start importing from Confluence. We're going to have a separate video on how to integrate Confluence to ClickUp. And of course, we have separate videos on integrating ClickUp on Microsoft Excel and of course exporting and importing CSV. We're not going to deal with that for now. But here, as you can see, you can click to add block. That means you can put in tables. You see that? These are one of the best features for using the chat here on ClickUp because it will allow you to seamlessly collaborate with your team members if you're working with multiple freelancers or within clients, because you can format messages using all these options right here. You can use the tables, you can use banners, you can use a different kind of thing. There's a lot that you can work with. Now for the type of commands, you see, of course you can mention a person. For example, that's going to be at. You can put in the people, tasks, documents, right here. All right, so because we have so many ClickUp tutorials that you might want to check here in our channel. And the at, actually you can mention person here by putting it the at. For example, deep laughs. But of course, I don't have any members around my workspace, right? But if you are working with team members, you might want to call them out here on the chat. That's the chat's purpose anyway. Now, you see, when you click on the side, you can drag to move or click to open. You can delete that. And of course, you can type in another command. And of course, you can click to add book. You can have bulleted list, number list, normal text. You can mention a page, mention a task, click a table, and these are one of the best features for the ClickUp chat because you have so many integrations. For example, you can embed any website. I'm going to embed our Deep Laughs YouTube channel. If you haven't already, you might want to sign up. Click the subscribe button to get the latest update for our future content. We upload daily for you guys to help you solve your problems quickly. All right, I'm gonna copy this, embed on the chat. For example, this I'm gonna type in, and I'm telling them please like and what like? Why a like? Please like and subscribe. But I'm not gonna push it further. You see, click on this plus button. You have all these. You can put in the YouTube channel. That's going to be URL's not valid. How come it's not valid? There you go. So we have the Deep Laughs YouTube channel that you might want to check out. All right. And again, you can have all this. For example, if you wanted to have like a Vimeo, Cloud App, Google Sheets, if you wanted, OneDrive, Dropbox, Jiffy, Miro. I'm going to add in the Google Sheets. All right. Switching over to my Google Sheets right now. Now I'm going to integrate this Google Sheet that I'm currently working in on the ClickUp chat. So right here and create embed, right? Click that. So one of the team members would be able to use all this information here on ClickUp, all right? On the very top, you can click on the customize wherein you can put in the view, pin view, private view, and set as default view. You can add a task here, like a milestone approval, and of course you can put in the browse template. You see, there's gonna be you would be able to see how many attachments have been on the chat for now. For example, one link and 3 YouTube channels. You have also the watchers. Watchers are those who have gained access to the chats. For example, this is going to be helpful if you wanted to find past conversations or specific pieces of information. For example, if you have multiple chats across different spaces or lists, you can easily switch between them by navigating through your workspace or using the global search feature, which is this one right here. Okay. Now, one more thing on the hashtag chat, you can of course change that into something like, I don't know, like this. I'm gonna rename that, and then from here inside the chat dashboard, you can show more actions. You can put in a reply for a specific thread. You can assign comments as an action item if you wanted. Just search or enter email. You have the option to assign comment as action item. You see that? Let me do that as well. And of course, you also have multiple options for the click on save for now. You can use the AI if you wanted. Type and enter. You see, there's a lot that you can work with. Because the ClickUp's native feature also have the, you can notify yourself about new features, right? This one. You can also have an option to remind you. For example, if you wanted to have a recurring notifications about this specific chat, if you're waiting for an update with your collaborators or team members within the chat conversation, you might want to do so. Right? This is going to be a helpful key information for reminders or updates because in the chat, they can remain visible at the top of the chat window. The pin is going to be on the bottom right corner, as you can see that. You can unpin or you can pin the tray. There's a lot that you can work here. And of course, you can also use the emoji if you wanted. There's a lot that you can work with. For example, if the comment is insightful and funny or something like humorous, you can do that. And of course, you can put in the thumbs up button. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.